In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if Google Analytics is installed on a website by looking for its tracking requests in your browser's developer tools. First, open the website you want to check, then press F12 on your keyboard to open developer tools. You can also right-click anywhere on the page and choose Inspect. Once Developer Tools is open, select the Network tab. This shows all of the requests the website sends and receives while the page loads, including analytics tracking activity. In the filter search box, type Collect. This narrows the list down to requests that commonly come from Google Analytics. Quick side note, for more straightforward Google Analytics and e-commerce tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Now refresh the web page while keeping the Network tab open. Watch the filtered results as the page reloads. If Google Analytics is active, you should see network requests named Collect loading data from Google domains. That confirms the site is sending tracking hits to Google Analytics. And that's it. You've successfully checked whether Google Analytics is installed and active on a website.